Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in the Coinbase wallet. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, tap onto the wallet button at the corner, just right here. Then tap onto settings option at the top right corner, just right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of display. Now tap on it. Then again scroll down and here you can find the option of local currency. Now to change it, tap on it. Now to change the currency, simply tap onto the currency that you want to change into, just like this. After locating it, simply tap on it. And now we can see the local currency has been changed into BND. And that's it. This is how you can change the currency in the Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.